In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious chicken pasta with broccoli recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cooked penne pasta, 1 chicken breast cubed, 1½ cup of broccoli, 1½ cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of sour cream, and 3 eggs. To the chicken, we're going to add the garlic, salt, pepper, and paprika, and mix. In a pan, we're going to add in the cooked penne pasta. Add in the chicken and mix. In a bowl, add in the eggs. Beat until smooth. Add in the sour cream and mix. Add in the heavy cream and continue to mix. Pour this mixture over top the pasta and the chicken. Sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese. Add in half of the mozzarella cheese. Add in the broccoli. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Add the remaining mozzarella cheese on top. Bake in the oven for another 20 minutes. Our chicken pasta with broccoli is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.